So here you can see the teacher told them that she received a letter this morning and she is going to read it. She goes to the class and she says, "You remember Wanda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest?" She is asking question to all the students that do you remember Wanda Petronsky, the gifted little artist जो born गिफ्टेड थी, किस चीज के लिए? ड्राइंग के लिए. एंड शी ऑल्सो वन द कंटेस्ट. वेल, she has written me a letter has come from Wanda and I am glad to know where she lives. Means now the teacher has the new address of Wanda and she says, I am glad to know where she lives because now I can send her medals. I will send her medals which she won in the contest, drawing contest. I want to read her letter to you. She says that I want to read her letter to you people. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently means बहुत ध्यान से सुनने के लिए बैठ गई क्लास with a great interest. What was in the letter? What does letter say? Dear Miss Mason, how are you and room 13? She is asking about the teacher as well as all the student of room 13 जो उसकी क्लास हुआ करती थी. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones. She is saying that all those 100 dresses which I draw in the class, in the contest, students can keep them with them, and why? Because she has now 100 new dresses in her house, all lined up in my closet means सारी उसके अलमीरा में टंगी हुई हैं. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of green dress with the red trimmings and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. She also addresses these two girls that I would like that Peggy can keep the green dress with trimmings, जिस पर बहुत सारे कलरफुल ट्रिमिंग्स लगी थी. आप ये स्ट्रैप्स लगे थे वो पैगी रख लेगी, और जो दूसरी ड्रेस है कौन सी, जो ब्लू वन है, दैट इज फॉर मैडी. फॉर क्रिसमस आई मिस दैट स्कूल एंड माई न्यू टीचर्स डज नॉट इक्वलाइज विद यू. मीन्स फॉर क्रिसमस आई मिस दैट स्कूल, मुझे अपने स्कूल की बहुत याद आती है. एंड माई न्यू टीचर डज नॉट इक्वलाइज विद यू, मेरी नई टीचर आपके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. शी इज नॉट एज गुड एज यू वर. मैरी क्रिसमस टू यू एंड एवरीबडी. सभी को मेरी तरफ से मैरी क्रिसमस. एंड योर्स ट्रूली वेंडा पेट्रोंस्की. So students, this was the letter from Wanda Petronsky. Next, if we move to the next paragraph on page number 78. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawing very carefully. Means to say, in the letter you could see that she has gifted her drawing of the dresses to Maddie and Peggy, and they both are taking it to their house very carefully. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Means all the houses, as it was the Christmas season, so all the houses were well decorated with so many circular, wreath means होता है circular Christmas decorative items, and holy means Christmas tree, and all the windows were fully decorated. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked. Means grocery stores were also stuffed with so many Christmas trees, and in the window, candy, peppermints, sticks, and cornucopias of shiny transparent papers were strung. Means cornucopias means decorative containers usually full of flowers and fruits. So all grocery shops were full of decorative things like cornucopias and Christmas trees and etc. The air smelled like Christmas and light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Means everywhere there was a good lightning, and when this light was falling on the snow, it was creating different type of colors. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. Means she says to Maddie, this shows she really likes us. Who likes us? See here refers to Wendy. So not Wendy, that is Venda, sorry, Venda, for Venda, she. So she says Venda likes them. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right. Means she says what the letter we wrote her, she found it, and this is the way she has saying that everything was all right, and that's that. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. But Maddie is still sad. She says, I hope so that everything is right and she has forgiven us. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl again and couldn't ever really make things right between them. She is sad because she will not get a chance now to meet that tight-lipped Polish girl. Means tight-lipped Polish girl means Venda. She would not get chance to meet her again, and she would not get chance to make everything right between them. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. Her bedroom walls were covered with pink flowered wallpapers, and at one place it was torn. ये फटा हुआ था. She placed her drawing on that at that place. The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of colors. Means वो रूम जो उदास एकदम नीरस सा था, it became very colorful with the brilliancy of colors. Brilliancy in the colors which have been used in the drawing. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. Again she sat down at her bed and she looked at the drawing again. She had stood by, said nothing, but Venda had been nice to her anyway. Means still she is saying that Venda was really nice girl. Tears blurred her eyes. Means there were tears in her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Means काफी देर तक उसको देखती रही. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. Means she rubbed her eyes and she studied it intently. Means so far she has only seen the dress, but now she has seen something different in the drawing, that she very intently studied it. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. Means उस ड्राइंग के अंदर जो कलर्स यूज किए गए थे वो इतने ज़्यादा विविड थे. विविड मतलब विभिन्न कलर के, अलग अलग रंगों के थे कि उसका ध्यान कभी चेहरे पे तो गया ही नहीं. जो ड्राइंग का हेड था, जो सिर बना हुआ था, उस पर कभी गया नहीं. बट इट लुक्ड लाइक हर. लेकिन ये उसी के जैसा दिख रहा था. किसके जैसा? मैडी के जैसा. मैडी, इट्स रियली looked like her own mouth. Means the face of the drawing was exactly Maddie's face. Why it